Hello YouTube, and today we will be dealing with the question, is Darth Maul a Rule of Two Sith? This is something that I've been wanting to talk about for a while, because I've asked this question to Star Wars fans of all types, and they all seem to agree that he is, in fact, a Rule of Two Sith. I disagree, and believe that Darth Maul is in fact not a Rule of Two Sith. But let's start by defining what the Rule of Two is. The Rule of Two was a Sith order, established by Darth Bane after the Brotherhood of Darkness was destroyed on Ruusan. Its objective was to preserve the Sith order by limiting their number to only 2 at a time. 2 there should be, no more, no less. One to embody the power, the other to crave it. How the Rule of Two works in practice is, each master would find an apprentice to eventually succeed him or her. The master would train the apprentice, and the apprentice, when ready, would fight his or her master to the death, and, if successful, take the title of master for their own and repeat the process. Now the Rule of Two has been technically broken several times. Darth Venemus, who was trained by Darth Tenebrous, while Darth Tenebrous still had Plagueis as his apprentice, Ventress and all the Dark Acolytes Dooku used during the Clone Wars, and the Inquisitors, just to name a few. Now, none of the people just named are considered Rule of Two Sith, and for good reason. As mentioned previously, you have to either be the Master or the Apprentice to be considered a Rule of Two Sith, hence the name Rule of Two. Maul's existence also technically breaks the Rule of Two, being that he was trained by Sidious with the approval of Plagueis for many years before Plagueis' death. However, Maul was never trained as a true Sith apprentice. Originally, he wasn't intended to be anything more than an assassin, an errand boy for Sidious and Plagueis. As time went on, however, Sidious clearly had planned that after his master's death, that Maul would become his true apprentice. However, before Plagueis' death, Maul was defeated by Obi-Wan on Naboo and was taken to Lothal Minor, where he quickly lost his mind. From Sidious' perspective, he had no idea that Maul had survived, and therefore never took him on as his true apprentice. And by the time Maul returned after Savage Opress came and found him, Sidious had had Dooku as an apprentice for many years. Therefore, there was no time at all at which Maul could have been apprenticed to Sidious as a proper Rule of Two Sith, except the time between Plagueis' death and Dooku becoming Sidious' apprentice, in which time Maul was on Lothal Minor going insane. Of course, guys, this is all my opinion. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time.